cool. Alright, so this is a lot smaller than I thought it would be. So this is my hand. My hand is about more than half of how big it is. I thought it would be huge, but it's actually pretty small, so that's nice. Got tape measured, so this is roughly 12 inches deep, also about 12 inches wide. And over here, this is about 16.5 inches at its longest. So let's take this thing out. First thing I noticed is that this is really well built. This is all metal. It is really well painted too. It's got this matte finish to it. Great feel touched by the hands. And then this part is rubber. This part is rubber. And I think in the back, you have this white strip that comes all the way down. This is rubber. And then everything else is just this metal. And it feels incredibly good. And you lift this up and get that to lock. It's a really quick motion. Cool. So you leave it like this, and then you grab these two things and you put them over here. And then there are 4 corners, and then the last 2 rubber pieces goes up here. So it's all rubber where the contact points are to your electric skateboard, so it doesn't damage your skateboard. Very thoughtful. Man, this thing is so well built. Yeah, because I needed to film my electric skateboards vertically from time to time. It's just such a pain to get it to freestand in the middle of nowhere vertically, and this is the perfect solution. I am so happy about this. I actually paid for the international shipping. So this thing is about 80 bucks if you were to purchase it by itself. And if you buy a pack of 4, you save like $15 each. So you save like 60 bucks, which is pretty good deal. But the only thing right now is shipping is pretty expensive. They're trying to figure out a way to ship these here into the US in bulk. But yeah, I paid like $50 to get it shipped from China to the US as quickly as possible. And this thing with $53 of shipping, it came in like overnight from China to US. I'm just super excited. So now I can actually film a lot of my skateboards with a vertical stand, and that's going to change a lot of things. Be sure to look for future filmography from me using this stand. I'm super stoked about it. So this is the part that goes over here so that the truck can actually rest on here. Let's see. Okay. These are 4mm Allen wrenches. Okay, so you see this thing? It's like a little slot. You're supposed to put it in and then twist it so that it catches the edges. I have a little bit of trouble catching the edges, but maybe I'm just really dumb. Okay, I just figured it out by looking at the instruction manual. The factory people who put this head in here, they put this thing in there in the wrong way. So it's supposed to be this. It's supposed to be like this. Activate. So if you got yours and it's like this, it's wrong. It's supposed to look like that. Again, I'm going to have to redo the so that it looks like a little mushroom head. Cool. Now I'm going to insert this into this slot over here and then turn it so that it catches the edges. Activate. Cool, cool. This feels pretty sturdy right now. These 2 pieces, rubbers, we install them. Install these 2 pieces here and then 4 pieces at the bottom. This portion, the truck needs to catch to that. Activate.